What's up, YouTube? Today we are giving you guys a little demo on the Pulse Performance Products Quad. This is the one that we found on the side of the road, and we did the 36 volt conversion with the Amazon kit. We have the two Milwaukee M18 batteries in there, 5.0s. They're fully charged, and the other one's also charged. I know I said I was gonna make a oh, look good. I know I said I was gonna make a little mounting thing for it, but we haven't got to that. We've been busy with the other cars, so we'll get to that soon. We're gonna put the camera on the helmet and we're gonna have it ride it around. This is the key that came with the throttle, so it shows you how much life you have left on your batteries. All we have to do is add some lights to this, and I think that controller actually has plugs for the lights. We just haven't looked into it yet because she only rides it during the day. So, Magali, come over here.
Guys, look at that tar right there on the stadium. You know, this is the Thompson Stadium and the soccer stadium at the same time. And those are my parents right there supporting me. Move out of my way!
We're gonna get a little flyby clip. Go. Fast, fast. Go as fast as you can. Fast. That's it. Let's see how much battery we have left. Go. It's not showing me.
Papa.
Go.
Don't do that!
I want to see how much battery you have left.
It has like 3 more batteries left.
Okay, again.
But just stay living here.
Okay.
3 minutes to
Go. This might not seem too fast on the camera, but I think for a 5, 6, 7-year-old, this is pretty fast. Fast enough. I think with these M18 batteries, from the research we've done, they should last around an hour to an hour and a half. I don't know if that's full throttle or not, but I believe they last longer than the original batteries that come in that little quad. And another option that you might have to make it a little bit cheaper is order the fake M18 batteries from Amazon. I've never tried those, but that's another option to keep the cost down and to upgrade to a 36-volt system. I think that's pretty much it for you guys. I want to show you guys a couple of clips on the quad. She's enjoying it. That's pretty cool. We picked it up for free. All we had to invest in was the controller, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, I had the batteries. I had 2 5.0 batteries, and we made it work. So the kit comes with the controller and the throttle with the key and all that stuff. I'll leave the link down below so you guys could check that out, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.